policy HTTPS inspection. By the end of this training, you'll be able to enable HTTPS inspection and adjust the HTTPS policy. HTTPS traffic has a possible security risk and can hide illegal user activity and malicious traffic. Security gateways cannot inspect HTTPS traffic because it is encrypted. Think about it. If you are a user and you're going to some sort of a server out there, most of your traffic is HTTPS. So for example, if you're uploading sensitive data into this server, the gateway can't stop it because your data is encrypted. You can enable the HTTPS inspection feature to let the security gateways create new SSL connections with the external site or server. The security gateways are then able to decrypt and inspect HTTPS traffic that uses the new SSL connections. Again, in other words, if this is my computer, I don't have a direct connection with the server. I have a session with a gateway using the gateway certificate. So from my side, everything is protected, everything is secured and beautiful. But this session right here is protected, but it's protected using the certificate of the gateway. So the gateway can decrypt it and inspect the data. And from the other side, the gateway will initiate another connection to the actual server using the server certificate. So if I have Eves right here trying to eavesdrop, everything is secure, so there's no problem. But the gateway itself can decrypt this data. In other words, it's very similar to man-in-the-middle attack, but this time it's legit. Once you enable HTTPS inspection, it has a policy of its own, and you can go ahead and configure that specific destinations or services will be bypassed, meaning we won't inspect them. To do this demo, you will need SmartConsole access, your organizational needs, means to deploy the new certificate. So you'll be able to create a certificate from SmartConsole, but if you would like your organization to trust this certificate, you will later need to use group policy or manual installation on all of your devices. Let's see how easy it is. I'm going to go to my gateway object. Go to HTTPS inspection, and I really like those simple 3 steps. You need to create or import a certificate, deploy it, and enable. That's it. So first I'm going to create the certificate. I'm going to use my domain name, a password, I'm good. Enable. Press OK. Oh, okay. Thank you. I forgot to export the certificate. So I'm going to save it on my desktop so I can later deploy it on my organization. Here we go. Press OK. Now you'll notice that Facebook, for example, if I'll double click this object, you can just go ahead and block Facebook or detect Facebook to be precise. But if I would add YouTube, you can see that HTTPS inspection is required. Now, I would like to go ahead and modify HTTPS inspection. I'm going to policy. The current policy just has a single rule. I'm going to add the rule above it. I'm going to modify the category to health, and finance. And the action would be to bypass, and I would like to have a log about it. Install the policy. And I'm good to go. Of course, I will need to go ahead and deploy the certificate on my organization, but in this specific demo, I'm focusing on the SmartConsole side.
Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.